Today I've got my Portuguese Vaguero Mauser, and I'm going to try this Yugo ammo again that was made in the 1950s. My previous try with this ammo, I had a bunch of them that didn't fire because of light strike, and I believe it's because the other gun needs a different firing pin. So originally, this model was chambered in 6.5 millimeter and was rebarreled to 8 millimeter Mauser by the Portuguese arsenal. This one is in excellent condition, and so again, I'm at 50 yards, and I am going to try this Mauser and see if the spring tension on this is any better than it was on my rifle. So we will start the camera. The Portuguese Vaguero, I'm going to shoot the bottom target, and let's see if I get light strikes with this firearm as well. All right. Aiming at the second position, bottom target. I don't see where that shot went. Oh, it shot really high. Okay, I remember now. This firearm shoots really high. If you look at the 9, the number 9 in the middle of the silhouette, you'll see the hole right there above the 9. So that's shooting really, really high. So anyway, I'm going to keep shooting it. We'll just aim at the same spot and shoot for groups. Oh, I see. Wow, that's some hot ammo, but you can see it's all over the place. I got a minute to cease fire, so I'm going to shoot one more. And there we go, light strike. Okay, so we'll pull that out. Over the sun. All right, and put chamber flag in, and wait for the till after the break. All right, break's over. I have the one with the light strikes. I have the one that was the light strike in the Vaguero, and it's the same. The primers in these are incredibly hard. I'm going to put that one back in here and see if a double tap will make it go off. That's going to leave a bruise. Got my hand behind the swing swivel. But, yeah, I don't got anything both got. Do not have any of that grouping with this ammo in the Vaguero. My other Mauser actually grouped better. I'm not going to sit here and waste a lot of ammo, but we'll try 5 more just to see, and then what I'll probably be doing is putting a new screen in my other Mauser, and maybe we can get the hit a little harder so that we don't have this issue. But we can see the, I am recording, yeah. We can see that this ammo doesn't do well in this. I don't have anything on the target. I do have one in that little red circle, I believe, unless that staple was. No, I've actually got one top target. I'm not even aiming. I'm aiming way down low on the bottom target. So yeah, there's not this ammo at all. You can see that there's another shot in the top target. And I'm looking at the 6 o'clock, the very bottom of the bottom target. Now I remember, this gun shoots really high. Also, it doesn't like ammo. Okay. I'm not getting as many players to fire, I believe, as I did with the other Mauser. But, yeah, I'm not really getting any kind of a decent group. Okay, that's all I'm going to do with the Vaguero. I'm just wasting ammo here. So I'm going to off the range camera. And I'm going to move on to something else.